Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we are diving into a common check engine light code, P0443. If you've ever seen this pop up on your OBD2 scanner and you're re-wondering what it means and how to fix it, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. P0443 stands for Evaporative Emission Control System, Purge Control Valve Circuit. That might sound complicated, but here's the short version. Your car has a system to keep fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The purge valve plays a big role in that system. When the ECU can't communicate properly with that valve, or it detects an electrical issue in the circuit, it throws the P0443 code. Common causes of P0443. Number 1. Purge valve failure. The purge valve controls the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the intake manifold. If it sticks open, too much vapor enters the engine, causing rough idling or hard starting. Test the valve by applying 12 to the solenoid to see if it clicks. Replace the valve if it doesn't close properly. Number 2. Clogged or contaminated valve. Fuel vapor residues, charcoal particles, or dirt from the canister can clog the valve. Remove and clean the valve if possible. If cleaning doesn't help, replace it. Also, check the charcoal canister for disintegration, which might be sending debris into the system. Number 3. Wiring issue. Damaged wires can prevent the purge valve from receiving the correct electrical signal. Inspect the wiring harness for visible damage, corrosion, or wear. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and voltage. Repair or replace damaged sections. Number 4. Connector problems. A corroded or loose connector can interfere with proper electrical contact. Disconnect the plug, inspect for corrosion or bent pins, clean with electrical contact cleaner, and secure the connection. Number 5. Blown fuse or relay. The EVAP system may share a fuse or relay with other components. If this fails, the purge valve won't operate. Locate the fuse and relay box. Use the vehicle's manual to identify the correct fuse relay. Test and replace blown fuses or faulty relays. So, that's P0443 in a nutshell. Not the scariest code out there, but definitely one you don't want to ignore. Let us know in the comments if you've had this code and what fixed it for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.